Hi friends, you're welcome to Life Challenge with Dr. Vivian. So we are starting here with the first question. That is question number 8. 8 times 2 divided by 8 times 2 is equal to what? Now solve this, drop your answer. 8 times 2 divided by 8 times 2 is equal to what? So please feel free to join us every day by 10 a.m. for amazing math challenges and math tutorial. Simultaneous equation. We are going to learn how to solve it using the elimination method. Okay, thank you for joining us. So it's Life Challenge with Dr. Vivian, and the challenge is for everybody. If you know the answer, you drop your answer immediately. Thank you for joining us. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you for your support. Okay, so if you know the question you solve, thank you for the like. If you join us, please help us tap the like button so that we can continue. So drop your answer if you know the answer. So let me quickly solve this. So we'll go to the next question. All right. We have 8 times 2 divided by 8 times 2. So remember, we're going to apply BODMAS. All right. So on BODMAS, B stands for bracket. There's no bracket here. There's no order. Then multiplication and division. Remember, you apply the one that comes first from left to right. Okay. So Ade, Dayo, Ruben. Okay. So Ruben says 0. Ruben, share you're saying your answer. Ruben, please, what's your answer? So thank you, Ruben, for joining. Okay, so let me solve it. So you see the addition and subtraction, division and subtraction, they're the same level. You apply the accounts first from left to right. So here, multiplication came first, so we'll multiply first. If we do that, you have 8 times 2 is 16 divided by 2 times 8 times 2, sorry. 8 times 2. Thank you for joining. Okay. So we are going to, the next thing is here, this is on the left again. We have 16 divided by 8 will give us 2 times 2. All right. So the answer is 4. Okay. Thank you to all those joining us. My answer is 0. Okay. Okay. Your answer is 0. All right. But see the solution. The right answer is 4, please. Okay. So that is it. You have 8 times 2 divided by 8 times 2, and the answer is 4. Thank you so much, Ruben. Thank you for participating. So we are going to the next question. All right, so let's do some amazing math challenge. Okay, so the question is, what number is next? Okay, what number is next? We have 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. What number is next? So tell me the next number. Your answer is wrong. If you use BODMAS, will be 16. Okay. If you use BODMAS, it will be 16. It can be 16. I don't know how I got 16. Let me see. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. 16 divided by 2 by 8 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So you're making me love math. Thank you, Ruben. So please, my dear, secret money, the answer is 4 and not, the answer is 4 and not 16. Only if you, can you help me solve it? Show me how you got 16. Okay, you can show me how you got 16. I don't mind seeing it. All right. Okay, please solve the next question. Drop your answer. 16 plus 16 all over 8 times 8. 16 plus 16. There's no plus in this question. 16 plus 16 all over 8 times 8. 16 plus 16 is 16. 8 plus 8 is 16. Oh, what? Oh, wait, I didn't see the question. Oh, okay. So, fine. Look at the question, please. This is the question so that you don't make mistake. All right. So, please solve the next question. See, this is the next question. Please, thank you for joining us. Help us tap. help us tap the love bubble so that we can get to meet more people, okay? And feel free to drop your answer. Help us like the live section. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate all those who came from TikTok. Thank you so much. I love you guys so much. So please help us by commenting your answer. By the way, which class is this? This is just a math challenge with Dr. Vivian. Secret Money is for everybody. If you feel you want to participate, just solve the answer, solve the question and drop your answer, and we keep solving. All right, it's for everybody. Okay, so please, this one is very easy. Any answer, or I should go ahead and solve. Okay, so let me solve it. This is very easy. They say what is the next number? It's very easy. See, we have 1 plus 1 will give us 2. 1 plus 2 will give us 3. 2 plus 3 will give us 5. Okay, let me start afresh. Thank you for joining. Please help us like the live section. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. And 8 plus 5 is 13. So that is the answer. This is very, very easy. Anita, yes. Ngutuku, thank you for joining. Ngutuku is very right. I'm God's will mandate. Oh, God's will, you're welcome. Thank you to all those who came. I appreciate you guys a lot. Yes, Secret Money, you're correct. Okay, so let's go to the next question, please. All you can do for me, we have 10 persons here. Please, can you give this live section 10 likes? Just click on 10 likes, like it, give us a thumbs up so that this live video can be going more viral, please. Thank you for your support, and subscribe to our channel if you've not subscribed. So go to the question number 9. Okay, question number 9 is going to be very easy. So have square root of 100 divided by 4, okay, all over 1/2 is equal to what? This is very easy. Can you tell me bracket of a plus b raised to power 4? Okay, now to do the expansion, it will be very, very long, but let me see. This should be an algebraic identity. So please solve this question number 9 and drop your answer. Let me find the solution to your problem. Okay, Ngutuku 10. Ngutuku, please help us solve it. Ngutuku, thank you for life. Please keep tapping the love bubble for us. Ngutuku 10, please drop your answer. I think should we use binomial here? You don't. This is a plus b raised to power 4 is algebraic identity, so you don't necessarily need to use binomial there, because we are just dealing with one variable. You don't need to use binomial. Please help us tap and join the challenge. Thank you, Ruben, for your review. I appreciate it. Okay, favor, you say 1 point. Favor 1.25. Okay, so please, hi Melody, you're welcome. Melody, thank you for joining. Please, to all those who came from TikTok, I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you so much. Please help me, give me a thumbs up so that more people can join us. All right, and please help us keep tapping the love bubble. Thank you to those who are tapping, unlike TikTok where you can see who is tapping. If you solve 1J advanced hand question, I super chat here as much as you want. If I solve 1G advanced hardest question, I super chat here. I'm not here to solve questions. We are here for math challenge. And please, when you say super hard, I don't know which question that you have in your mind that you think is super hard. Okay, so you know mathematics, what may be hard to you may be very easy to another person. All right, so please, this is a friendly math challenge that we are doing. It's not for supercharged hard question. It's for simple math challenge. Look at it, is level 1. It's not very big math challenge like that, so we don't want to make it look so hard. So please let me go ahead and solve this. All right. So let me write it here. I'm just going to write it here. We have square root of 100 divided by 4 all over half. All right. So to solve this is very easy. Okay. Now here we are going to apply the law of radical. Recall, law of radical states that square root of x divided by y is square root of x divided by square root of y. All right, this is what law of radical says. So we're going to apply it here. If we do that, we now have square root of 100 divided by square root of 4 all over 1 over 3. 1 over 2, sorry. So square root of 100 is 10 divided by square root of 4 is 2 all over 1 over 2. All right. So 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. 5 all over 1 over 2. So 5 divided by half will give us 10. So the answer is just 10. And Ngutuku is right. So Ngutuku, cheers to you. I have to be clapping because there's no cheers button here. So Ngutuku, thank you for doing it correctly. Then Favor, please take a look at the solution and see the correct answer. Thank you so much. So this is the solution to the question. We just applied a law of radical here and we're able to solve it. Even if you decide to do 100 divided by 4, we have 25. So square root of 25 is still 5. You will still arrive at the same answer, whichever way you choose to. What does this make? Paste your question. I believe she can solve it. Okay. Yes, if you have any question, please let me see the question. All right. So please help me like the live section. Okay. If you have any question, please feel free to drop your question. What does this make? I don't understand what you mean by that. Are you saying that the life challenge, the mathematics is not important or the life challenge is not necessary? So if you can explain to me what you mean, maybe I can have a solution to your problem. Okay, so explain what you mean by that question. All right, so let's do something else. So question number 9. Let's question number 9. Solve four y plus 2 equal to 8 bracket x minus 2. So solve this. Sorry, this is y, not x. We are working with y. So solve this. Question number 9. Solve 4y plus 2 equals to 8 bracket y minus 2. So we are looking for y. Our y is equals to what? So please solve. Let's see your answer. Solve. Let's see your answer, please. Very important. And this class is just 1 hour class. So we are already at 13 minutes. Please participate so that we can move it to the next level. Please, I thank those who came from TikTok to join us here. Please feel free to help us here also. If you know the way you tapped on TikTok, help us tap here. So I'm waiting for your answers. So please give me your answers. Give me answers to the question. Let's go. I'm waiting for your answers. All right, please. This question is for everybody. It's not for a particular set of people. It's math challenge for everybody. As far as you know you can solve it, go ahead and solve it. Drop your answer. All right. Go ahead and solve it and drop your answer. Okay. So if you can solve it, go ahead and solve. Drop your answer. It's for everybody. All right. Okay. So please feel free to solve and drop your answer. Okay. So solve, drop your answer. Let's see. Please solve, drop your answer. Yes. Pure rain sound says 6. Okay. So drop your answer. Please keep tapping for us. Okay. So let me solve it. Now we have 4y plus 2 equals to 8 bracket y minus 2. So what are we going to do? We are going to expand these brackets. We are going to expand the brackets. Now, if we expand the bracket, we have 4y plus 2 equals to 8 times y is 8y minus 8 times 2 is 16. Okay. Now, the next thing we are going to do is collect like terms. Okay. So the first thing we did was to expand the brackets. Okay. We expanded the brackets, and the next thing now is to collect like terms. So we're going to move the y to one side and the x to another side. If we do that, we have 4y. This is positive 8y. If it crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative 8y. Is equal to, here we have minus 16. If this positive 2 crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 2. Okay. So 4y minus 8y, because we are subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number, is going to be minus 4y equal to minus 16 minus 2 is minus 18. Okay. So we're going to divide both sides by 4, by minus 4. Okay. Minus 4. So minus 4 will cancel minus 4 here. We have y is equal to minus will cancel minus, and we have 18 over 4. So we're going to divide first with 2. Y is equals to 18 divided by 2, 9 over 4 divided by 2, 2. So y is equals to 9 divided by 2 is 4 whole number, 1 over 2. And that is the answer to the question. All right. So Pure Rain, your answer is not correct, but thank you for participating. So please, if you're joining this live, help us like the live section. Okay. Help us like the live section. All right. So we are going to question number 10. Thank you so much for your support. So let's solve something else. Solve 12 plus 2 square divided by 2 is equal to what? So solve this, please. This is friendly life challenge. So Ngutuku, thank you. Your answer is very correct. 4.5. Perfect. So thank you so much. So this is a friendly life challenge, please. It's for everybody. If you're a lover of mathematics, feel free to solve. And please help us comment, like the live section. And you can also tap. When you tap, the live session gets distributed to more people. All right. Support us, okay? We appreciate you a lot. So solve this question. This is question number 10. So drop your answer. Drop your answer, please. Drop your answer, please. Okay. Pure Rain, of course, we'll check whether you're correct later, please. All right. Okay. Okay, Pure Rain. I'm going to just write Pure Rain. Pure Rain says 14. Abby, yes. Ngutuku, 14. And Ruben, 18. All right. So please, more answers. More answers. More answers. More answers. More answers. Ruben, you're saying 10. Okay. Ruben, 10. Okay, Ruben, I'm saying 10. All right. So let me quickly solve it. So we have 12 divided by 2 square. Sorry, plus 2 square divided by 2. Like I told you in board mass, this is order here. So we're going to solve that first. We have 12 plus 2 square is 2 times 2. That is 4 divided by 2. And you divide before adding. We have 12 plus 4 divided by 2 is 2. And this is 4. 12 plus 2 is 14. So the answer is 14. Is that easy? Okay. Is that easy? So let's solve something else. So question number 11. Okay. So question number 11 is going to be 16 minus 6 plus 16 divided by 4 is equal to what? So solve this. Solve this. Let's see. Okay, Pure Rain. Thank you for participating. Pure Rain 14. Okay, please, more answers. Pure Rain 14. More answers, please. So let me solve it. Please, this is life challenge with Dr. Vivian. The question is for everybody. Once you know the answer, please drop your answer. It's for everybody and help us like the live section. Okay, you can help us like the live section. The question is for everybody. All right, so help us like the live section. So let me just quickly solve this. Okay, this is very easy. We have we're going to write our 16 minus 6 plus, because we're going to start from here. So 16 divided by 4 is 4, and this is equals to, we subtract first and have 10 plus 4, and that is 14. So this is the answer to the question. All right, now I'm going to ask another question. So please help us tap on the like button or love button. So this is question number 12, yes. So number 12 says 10 divided by half times 10 is equal to what? So solve this. Drop your answer. 10 divided by half times 10 is equal to what? That's question number 12. All right. 10 times half divided by 12 is what? Can you solve it, please? Solve it. Let's see. Solve it. Let's see. Solve. Let's see. Solve. Okay, Pure Rain, I'm seeing all your answers. Okay. Pure Rain, please give me one answer. What? Pure Rain, please give me one answer, please. All these answers is too much. So the first person to solve it correctly, let me do I, is Pure rain, I don't know. Your answer is 1, 2, 3. I don't know. Please give me one answer. Let me take Ruben. Ruben. Ruben, 20. Sorry. So pure rain, tell me your answer, Biko. Pure rain. Pure rain, 50, 10, 100, 20, 220. Pure rain, I don't know, 20, okay. So Ruben, 20. Ruben, okay, sorry. EU. Ruben, 20. Okay. More answers. More answers. More answers. More answers. Please, this life challenge is for everybody. Once you know this answer, just solve and drop. It's not for any particular set of people. It's for all of us. And please feel free to give us thumbs up if you are enjoying the live class, or even if you're seeing us for the first time, just to encourage us, give us a thumbs up. Okay? And you can participate. All right. Participate is for everybody. Okay, let me solve it, please. Let me go to the next page and solve it. Divided by half times 10. Okay, that is the question we are solving. Now to solve this is easy. Okay, let me zoom it up a little. Okay, so this is what you are 7. 10 divided by half times 10. Okay, now if you want to divide multiplication and flip this fraction, if we do that, we have 10 times 2 will come up here, 1 will come down. Okay, so have 2 over 1 times 10. Okay, then 2 times 2 is 20 times 10, and all over 1 is the same thing. All right, this is 20 times 10 is 200. So that is the correct answer to the question. So let's look at those who answered. Yes, Pure Rain, after giving me up to 50 questions, you have finally got it correct. Final answer 200, and that is the correct answer. Thank you, Pure Rain, for solving correctly. Okay, so let's solve another math challenge. Okay, we have we have 4 brackets 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to what? All right, so this is the question. So this is question number what? Let me check. Question number 13. This is question number 13. Okay, so solve it. If you know the answer to the question number 13, please solve it and drop your answer. Solve question number 13, drop your answer. Solve question number 13 and drop your answer. Let's see. So let me wait for you for some time. Solve, drop your answer. Okay. Solve, drop your answer. So please solve, drop your answer. Solve, drop your answer. Can you solve this? I'm waiting for your question, your solution. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Uh-huh. Okay. So Garuba. Let me write Garuba. Okay. Thank you, Garuba, for participating. Then Purin 12. Purin 12. Then Ruben 8. Ruben 8. More answers. More answers. More answers. Purin, you say, can I ask a question? Please ask your question. So let me solve it, please. We have 4 brackets 2 plus 2 divided by 2, all right? So remember, we are going to use board mass. And board mass, B stands for bracket, O for order, division and multiplication on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. Addition and subtraction on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. So start from here, there is bracket. So we're going to start from brackets. Okay. So under these brackets, there's still plus and division. So here we are still going to start from division part. So if you do that, we have 4 brackets 2 plus 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. All right. And this is equals to 4 brackets 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. All right. So the correct answer is 12 from Purin. Please look at the solution to the question, and the person that got it right is Purin. Or again, if Ruben can tell me how he got 8, and also Garuba, if you can tell me how, you just show me how you solved and got 8, I will appreciate it. So I'll see where the mistake is from. Okay, so please take a look at the solution. We start with the bracket, which is this part. And under this bracket, you have plus and division, and we divide first before adding. So we are going to divide first. If we do that, we have 2 plus 1, because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So we are going to solve the bracket still. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 4 times 3 is 12. So this is the solution. Okay, that is more accurate, and Purin got it. So thank you, Purin, for solving this correctly. I believe Ruben and Garuba, you should look at it and please take corrections. It's very important. All right. So let's solve another simple question. We have 80 divided by 10 all over 1. Okay, you did 4 plus 2 brackets 2 divided by 2. Okay, Ruben, but that is not the question. The question says 4 brackets. The 2 plus 2 is in the bracket, and not 2 here is not out of the bracket. So please, you see the right question. Please solve it correctly. Thank you for participating. Okay. Garuba says 2. Okay. Garuba 2. All right. More answers, please. More answers, please. More answers, please. Please. So solve this. Let's see your answer. Garuba 4. Okay. Garuba 4. Okay, more answers, please. Then Pure Rain 16. All right, more answers. More answers. Ruben 16. Pure Rain says this board mass or pendants. Pure Rain, board mass and pendants, they are the same thing. The difference between board mass and pendants is location. Sorry, Ruben. Difference between board mass and pendants is location. It's the same thing. Board mass and pendants are the same thing. All right, Ruben 16. Please explain more. Ruben 16. Okay. Please explain more. Okay, I will explain more, but not now. I will just explain more before when solving it. So use board mass and solve it. Okay, pendants. All right, no while I will explain. So please keep helping us to tap on the like button. So let me explain this thing so that we save time. Pure rain, sorry. You said I should explain more. Is pendants. You're asking if pendants and board mass are the same. Yes, they are the same. The only difference is location, like I said. Now, in pendants and board mass, let me write. We have pendants. We have board mass. Okay, so ignore this. So P here stands for parentheses. So parentheses is the same thing as brackets. Okay, parentheses is the same thing as brackets. They are the same. All right. Then exponents and order, they are the same thing. Then multiplication and addition, they're on the same level. You applied one concept from left to right. The same thing here. They're on the same level. You applied one concept from left to right. Just that they changed. But you can apply the accounts first. It doesn't matter their position. What matters is that you apply the accounts first from left to right. Addition and subtraction, the same thing. You apply the accounts first from left to right. Now, most of the people use board mass, but some people call it PEMDAS. They are still the same thing. All right. So I hope you understand that. All right. Okay. So hope you understand what I'm saying. Pure Rain. Pure Rain, I'm waiting for your reply. Hope you understand. Or if you have more questions, you can ask. Please, you have more questions, you can ask. So let me solve it. That is question number 14. So question number 14. We have 80 divided by 10 all over half. Okay. So this is equals to 80 divided by 10 is 8 all over half. 8 divided by half simply means if you pick a ball, we have 8 balls. If you pick one, divide it into 2, we have 2 parts. So if you divide 8 balls into 2, we have 8 times 2 parts each, and that is 16. All right. So the answer to this question is 16. And Pure Rain and Ruben got it correctly. So Garuba, you divided by 2 instead of half, because 8 divided by 2 will give us 4, but 8 divided by half will not be 8 divided by 2. So you're going to get 16. So please take note of that. All right. So we go to the next question. Please, friends, help me share this live section. Please help me share, support this live section very well for me. Okay, help me support the live section. All right, by sharing it, you can tap on those like button, love button, and we appreciate it. Thank you. You're welcome. Okay, so let's solve question number, I think 15 now. So question number 15. I want to get something else apart from all these board math questions. It's becoming too much. Let's go and get something else, all right? So let's have something simple. We have 10 whole number, 3 over 10 times square root of 100 is equal to what? All right, solve this. Solve this one. This one is very easy. Let me zoom so that you see it. Let's forget the number. Let's get the question. 10 whole number, 3 over 10 times square root of 10. This is fraction. All right, this is from fraction. So solve it. Let's see your answer. From fraction, solve it. Let's see your answer. So please feel free to solve it. Let's see your answer. Okay. Solve. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Please solve. Let's see. Let's see your answer. Let's see your answer. You're welcome, Pure Rain. Thank you for your kind review. I appreciate it. All right. So please, thank you for, you say I love your mathematics challenges. Thank you. I appreciate it. It's so lovely. God bless you. I appreciate it. Please help us solve this challenge. It's for everybody. Did that challenge for everybody? And I guess 3. Okay, Ruben, you're saying 3. Ruben, you're saying 3, right? Okay. So Ruben, if you have the answer, if you know the answer, solve it. It's for everybody. Ruben says 3. Okay. Yep. Ruben 3. Let's see. Okay. Ruben 3. Okay. So Pure Rain 103. Please, more answers. More answers. Sir, learn simplification. Are you trying to say you want to learn simplification? I should teach simplification. Please let me know the exact thing you want. And please, tomorrow by 10 a.m. Nigerian time, we'll be learning simultaneous equation. We'll be learning simultaneous equation. All right, let me write so you see what I'm saying. So what I'm saying is tomorrow, just solve. Let me write it somewhere and now bring it so you see. So solve this. This is the question we are solving for now. This is the question we are solving for now. Suraj. Okay. Tomorrow we'll be learning simultaneous equation. So tomorrow we'll learn simultaneous equation. All right. That's what we are going to learn tomorrow. And please, we are on Facebook. Please, this is our YouTube. We're on our YouTube already, Dr. Vmax. Please help us subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are on Facebook, Dr. Vmax. Follow us. And on TikTok, Dr. Thank you. Tomorrow we are going to be learning simultaneous equation. Okay. So let's solve this. Please, let's solve this. This is very easy. Whenever you have this kind of question, you are going to start by converting this mixed fraction into improper fraction. You do 10 times 10 is 100. 100 plus 3 will give us 103 all over 10. Okay, so that is the first step. And the thing is, we are going to do multiply by square root of 100 is 10. Okay, so 10 will cancel 10 and we are left with 103. So the answer is 103. So thank you, Dr. Bimat. You solved this correctly. Okay. Thank you, Purine. Sorry, you solved this correctly. So Ruben, please, have you seen the correct answer? That is the correct solution. That is how you do it. You start by converting the improper fraction to the mixed fraction to improper fraction, then you solve. Okay, that is the solution to the question. All right. So this class is 1 hour class, so we still have so many times on our. So let's solve this. This is question number 16. And question number 16 is going to be very interesting and easy. All right. So have a 5 times 5 plus 5 times 0 is equal to what? All right. So this is very interesting. 5 to what? All right. So solve it, drop your answer. 5 times 5 plus 5 is equal to what? If you know the solution, please kindly drop it. All right. Please, it's for everybody. The life challenge is for everybody. It's not for any particular person. It's for all, anybody that loves mathematics. Okay. So sorry, drop your answer. Pure rain says 0. Okay, all right. So more answers, please. More answers, please. More answers, please. Drop your answers, please. Drop your answers. Ruben, 30. Okay. Pure rain. 0. Okay, see 0 for you here already. Ruben, 30. So more answers, please. More answers. More answers. More answers, please. More answers, please. So drop your answer if you know it. Drop your answer if you know the answer to the question. Drop it. Pure Rain, you've started again. Please, can you just give us a final answer? Pure Rain, give us a final answer. Okay, more answers. Please, the last challenge is for everybody. Last challenge is for everybody. And if this is the first time of seeing us, help us subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. My final answer is 25. Solve it. Okay. I'll solve it right away. I'll solve it right away. All right. So let me quickly solve it. So we'll go to the next question. Please, everybody should help me and participate in this life challenge. I don't know why I'm begging you people and nobody is even listening. Please help me. Please solve it for me. Please solve it. All right. So let me solve it. Purin says 0. Purin, I don't understand you. Okay, my final answer is 25. Your 25 is after Ruben's quiz answer. Purin, 25. So let's solve it. So remember, we use BODMAS. This question is very easy. I'm surprised I'm getting all kind of questions from it. So, okay. So this is multiplication. You know, in BODMAS, this is addition. We multiply first before adding. All right. We multiply here, and we add it. 25. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 plus 5 times 0 is 0. So the answer is 25. All right. So the right answer is 25. It's that easy. Okay, let me put this, let me minimize so you can be seeing it and see it here. We have 5 times 5 plus 5 times 0. In BODMAS, you multiply first, multiply this part, you now put this 5 times 5 is 25 plus 5 times 0 is 0. And this is 25. So after all the roundabouts, Purin, you got it correct. So we go to the next question. Question number 16. Question number 17. Okay. So question number 17, we are given that x minus y is equal to 10, x plus y is equal to 10, x times y is equal to what? So this is our question number 17. So we have 3 more questions before we call it a day. Okay, so we have 3 more questions. All right, so please, if you have the answer to this question, solve it. Let's see. If you have the correction to the correct answer to the question, you solve it. Okay. So if you have the answer to the question, please solve it. And please remember the final answer says x multiplied by y is equal to what? So please solve, drop your answer. Let's see. Please, the challenge is for everybody. All right, let's go. Okay. So Purin, you say your final answer is 0. Garuba. Okay. Garuba 30. Purin 0. Garuba. Okay. 30. More solutions, please. More solutions. Please, if you're just joining us, this is life challenge and it's for everybody. This life challenge is for everybody. All right. So feel free to participate. It's for everybody. The life challenge is for everybody. So we have 3 more questions. This is 17th question. To bring easy question, but we are slow in solving. If we can solve faster, it will help us a lot. So this question is from simultaneous equation. Okay, so let me solve it. So I'm going to bring down the question again. We have x minus y is equal to 10. X plus y is equal to 10. Okay. Now to solve this, x minus y is equal to 10. X plus y is equal to 10. And this is simultaneous equation. Add. We are going to solve it using two methods, substitution method and elimination method. We're going to use elimination method so that it will be faster. Elimination method is we just add the two. X plus x will give us 2x. Minus y plus y will give us 0. So I'm not going to write anything there. 10 plus 10 will give us 20. You see, 2x is equals to 20. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. 2 will cancel here, we'll get x equals to 2 will cancel here to give us 1. We have 10. So x is equal to 10. Now, how do we get y? We get y by just picking this x equal to 10 and substitute it into any of the equation. If you substitute this one, you get the same answer. Substitute it here, you get the same answer. So I'm going to show you that any way you do it, you're going to get the same answer. So this is x minus y equals to 10. And this is x plus y equals to 10. So I'm going to substitute it into both sides. Now here we have 10 here. So our x is 10 minus y equals to 10. So minus y is equals to 10. When this positive 10 crosses the equal sign, becomes negative 10. So minus y is equal to 0. Multiply both sides by minus 1 and we have y is equal to 0. You see y is 0 here. So let's check it on this side too. So our x is 10. We have 10 plus y is equal to 10. So y positive y crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative 10. All right. So y is equals to 10 minus 10 is 0. So like I said, whether you substitute on this side or this, you arrive at the same answer. But the question says y multiplied by x is equal to what? So our x is 10 and our y is 0. So 10 times 0 is 0. So the answer is 0. So pure rain is correct. So Ruben, I hope you can fix this thing by understanding. I hope you just... That's what I mean. I hope you can understand it. All right. So that is it. So it's remaining 2 more questions. Okay, it's remaining 3 more questions. So let's solve. 3 more questions. Yeah, I'm even getting tired. It's not 1 hour. Okay. So we'll keep solving until we get to the final place. So we're going to solve this. Okay. 10 plus 10 over square root of 100 is equal to what? So solve this. 10 plus 10 times 10 all over square root of 100 is equal to what? So solve this. Let's see your answer. Okay. Solve this. Let's see your answer. So 10 plus 10 times 10 all over 100 is equal to what? Okay. What's your answer? Solve it. Drop your answer. Solve. Drop your answer. Please solve this. Drop your answer. Pure rain. Pure rain, you said the answer is 11. Okay. So Ruben, thank you so much for your support today. Ruben, I really appreciate your presence here. You have stayed here for 1 hour now. God bless you so much for me. So Pure rain, you're asking when is the next class? So the next class is tomorrow by 10 a.m. Please. Next class is tomorrow by 10 a.m. Okay. Please remember, tomorrow class is tutorial. Tomorrow class is tutorial. We are going to be learning algebra. All right. So we're going to be learning algebra tomorrow. Yes. So we're going to be learning algebra tomorrow. So this is question number 8 first. So this one is like I say, board mass. When you have plus and addition and multiplication on the same question, you multiply first before adding. Okay. If you do that now, let me write what we have there. We have 10 plus 10 times 10 all over square root of 100. Now in this question, you still solve it using board mass. Okay. So we are going to start by there's no bracket here, but this is order. I told you guys in talk that square root is under order. So we're going to start with square root. We have 10 plus 10 times 10 all over 100. Okay. Sorry, square root of 100 is 10. All right. So the next thing we are going to do is multiply. We multiply first. If we do have 10 plus 10 times 10 is 100 all over 10. So 10 plus 10 is 110 all over 10. So this is equals to 11. So the answer is 11. So look at it and see the solution. All right. So Ruben, thank you so much for your support today. So feel free to look at it and see the correct answer. Thank you so much, Ruben. Thank you for being here. I appreciate you so much. So it's already 1 hour and I'm just kind of exhausted. So please, we'll continue tomorrow by 10 o'clock. So tomorrow we are doing algebra. Tomorrow is for algebra. So thank you so much for today. I wish you guys an amazing day. Thank you so much. Have a lovely day. Bye.